How are you, my dear students? I hope stay home, stay safe. Students, today we are going to start our new topic, that is the care and maintenance of a computer. But before starting our chapter, first of all, you must be know some important points regarding your topic. A computer plays a very important role in our life. We use computers for shopping, paying bill, doing calculations, solving problems, etc. So it is our duty and that we can take care of our computers by keeping them in good condition. A computer can be expensive investment in terms of both time and money. So to protect that investment so that it's last as long as possible. So you will want to take care of it. Computers are just like any other piece of equipment, but they need to be cleaned and cared for in order to get the most out of them. So it is our duty that you can take care of your computer. Most computers don't really see anything in the way of special care. Their owners let them sit on a desk here around the collection of dust. So it turns a computer internal part and causes a lot of problem. So you can take care of your computer. So let's start with our chapter. That first one is the preventative maintenance. So caring and maintenance of your computer is much like getting an oil change or your tires rotated on your car. So this type of prevention and maintenance helps to improve the performance of your computer as well as increase the life of your computer. So now question arises, how often should I perform and maintain on my computer? There is no correct answer regarding this question. Maintenance will depend on how often your computer is used and what functions your computer is used for. Now, there are two types of maintenance regarding your computer, laptop or desktop. First one is the hardware and second one is the software. Hardware refers to the maintenance of the hardware components of computer like monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse and any other and more devices. So let's discuss our hardware devices. Our first one is the mouse. So turn off computer, turn mouse upside down, use tweezers to remove the debris. Here debris means waste dust from the infrared sensor eye hole. Use a proper and a soft cloth to clean your mouse. Second one is your keyboard component. Same, turn off your computer, turn keyboard upside down, spray compressed air between the keys. Why? For removing the dust particles. Wipe and clean each key with the cloth slightly dampened with water. Next one is the monitor. Same like a mouse and a keyboard, turn off your computer when cleaning flat panel screen. Use a special LCD cleaner wipes or a soft cloth. But remember, do not touch or use a alcohol or a ammonia based products. Why? Because it can damage your computer screen. Next one is the software maintenance. So it refers to the cleaning of the software installed on the computers. It involves the scheduled disk, cleanup task, protection against virus, deleting the temporary files and the unwanted files. It also includes various types of components. So let's discuss all these components one by one. So it is also necessary to that when you considering how often you scan your computer for viruses. If you or your other members of household use the computer often for file transferring, online buying of goods, it is very important that first of all you can scan the virus. So our first one is the virus. basically a file that attaches itself to another file or a program, so it can be sent from computer to the computer much like a human virus. So it is very important that when you can use a pen drive or a cd, first of all you can scan the virus. Second one is a worm file that has ability to travel and replicate without the user's help. In most of the cases, it causes the computer to stop responding and lock down the system, desktop or a computer. Next one is the spyware. It is a computer software that is installed secretly on a personal computer to intercept or take a partial control over the user's interaction without the computer and without the users informed and taking a consent from the users. Next one is the software maintenance includes the disk cleanup. So disk cleanup helps free up space on your hard drive. Disk cleanup searches your drive and then shows your temporary files. So this allows such websites to load quicker the next time as they visited an unnecessary program files that you can safely delete it. So disk cleanup plays a very important role for the maintenance of software. If you want to do a disk cleanup on your system, first of all you can click on the start button. After that all programs, then accessories, system tools and the disk cleanup button. So by following these steps you can easily clean up your disk. Now next question arises that disk defragmentator. It includes files and folders on your computer's hard disk so that each occupies a single contiguous space on the volume. So as a result, your system can gain access to your files and folders and save new one more in an efficiency way. So if you want to a disk fragmenter, you should follow these steps. Again, click on the start button, then all programs, then accessories, then system tools and then disk fragmentator. So with the help of a disk fragmentator, you can also evaluate your computer files and folders. So in the end, I want to say that it is important care for your laptop. So it is important that you can take care of your laptop, your system to keep it good shape. Prevention is always better than a cure. So these are the various points that you should be keep in mind regarding your laptop or a system. Keep liquids away from your laptop. Having an available antivirus software which can help to remove the virus. Keep your food away from your laptop. Always have clean hands when using your laptop. Protect the LCD display monitor. Don't pull on the power cord. Plug in accessory devices into their proper slots, otherwise it can cause a lot of problem. Handle any removable devices with a proper care. Don't expose your laptop to rapid temperature fluctuations. So by using these points you can save your computer. Dear students, thank you. Have a nice day and have a great day ahead. Thank you.